Hello friends, welcome to AgriBuddy. So today we are going to discuss 30 important agriculture questions for FCI AGM. Question number 1. Striga is related to which crop? And the options are maize, paddy, jowar, none of these. And the correct answer is jowar. Question 2. Blanching is a necessary operation in which of the following crop? And the options are tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, none of these. And the correct answer is cauliflower. Question 3. Bio 212 is a somaclonal variety of which crop? And the options are Brassica juncea, Lathyrus sativus, Citronella java, or none of these. And the correct answer is Lathyrus sativus. Question number 4. The scientific name of Bombay locust is? And the options are Locusta migratoria, Schistocerca gregaria, Nomadacris succincta. None of these. And the correct answer is Nomadacris succincta. Question 5. Which of the following is a copper fungicide? And the options are Blitox, Sulfex, Dithane M45, Bevistine. And the correct answer is Blitox. Question 6. The process of glycolysis occurs in the following part of cell. And the options are cytosol, peroxisomes, chloroplast, mitochondria. And the correct answer is cytosol. Question 7. Which of the following clay mineral is dominant in red soil? And the options are smectite, mica, illite, kaolinite. And the correct answer is kaolinite. Question 8. Rafano brassica was developed in 1928 by? And the options are Lysenko, Karpichenko, Krishna, Rimpu. And the correct answer is Karpichenko. Question 9. The plant cell lacking a cell wall is? And the options are Pleuroplast, Cytoplast, Cybrid, Tonoplast. And the correct answer is Protoplast. Question 10. Hollow stem in cauliflower is due to? And the options are deficiency of nitrogen, deficiency of sulfur, excess of boron, excess dose of nitrogen. And the correct answer is excess dose of nitrogen. Question 11. Which crop produces jaggery, khansari and molasses? And the options are hemp, sunflower, maize, sugarcane. And the correct answer is sugarcane. Question 12. Love lies bleeding is a common name of? And the options are balsam, amaranthus, fenugreek, none of these. And the correct answer is amaranthus. Question 13. Fungal reproductive cells are known as? And the options are gametangia, conidia, sporangia, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Question 14th. The first state that introduced the law of RTI was? And the options are Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Question 15th. Mycoplasma is sensitive to? And the options are penicillin, bevistine, tetracycline, none of these. And the correct answer is tetracycline. Question 16th. The most commonly cultivated barley in the country is? And the options are 6-row hulled, 6-row hull-less, 2-row hulled, 2-row hull-less. And the correct answer is 6-row hulled. Question 17th. Which one is used as vector in genetic engineering? And the options are plasmid, bacterium, cyanophage, none of these. And the correct answer is plasmid. Question 18th. Which is the classical concept of central dogma? And the options are RNA DNA protein, protein DNA RNA, DNA RNA protein, or none of these. And the correct answer is DNA RNA protein. Question 19th. For biological control of tomato fruit borer, the ideal trap crop is, and the options are marigold, mustard, tobacco, garlic. And the correct answer is marigold. Question 20. All fruits are generally what in nature? And the options are basic, acidic, neutral, none of these. And the correct answer is acidic. Question 21. The oil seed having highest protein content is, and the options are sunflower, soybean, safflower, groundnut. And the correct answer is soybean. Question 22. Maximum hybrids are developed in which crop? And the options are pigeon pea, maize, soybean, or wheat. And the correct answer is maize. Question 23. Humus colloids are mainly composed of, and the options are ozone, carbon, nitrogen, or helium. And the correct answer is carbon. Question 24. The miracle plant used for fuel, fodder, and manure is, and the options are Glycine max, Ocimum sanctum, Penicetum pedicelatum, Lucena leucocephala. And the correct answer is Lucena leucocephala. Question 25. Brassica juncea is used for the photoremediation of, and the options are lead, cadmium, copper, or zinc. And the correct answer is lead, Pb. Question 26. Cross-pollination is associated with, and the options are cleistogamy, chasmogamy, dichogamy, or all of these. And the correct answer is dichogamy. Question 27. The concept of pure line theory was developed with, and the options are maize, common bean, garden pea, or wheat. And the correct answer is common bean. Question 28. Synthetic seeds are, and the options are protoplast, soma clones, hybrid, or somatic embryos. And the correct answer is somatic embryos. Question 29. RAPD molecular markers are what in nature? And the options are dominant, recessive, codominant, or neutral. And the correct answer is dominant. Question 30. Which of the following technique is used for DNA fingerprinting? And the options are HPLC, RFLP, ELISA, or TLC. And the correct answer is RFLP. So guys, that's all for today. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe everybody. Thank you.